Kids explore together at home.
Today we are going to learn about Shirin Sahba.
Sahba is an artist who was born in India into an artistic family. She has lived and traveled to many countries around the world.
Her travels are reflected in her paintings.
Sahba uses vibrant colors, little subjects, and detailed patterns that help illustrate the story of her paintings.
We are going to create an art piece inspired by Shirin Sahba's art.
For this project, you will need paper, paint, brushes, and a mat to keep the mess.
We also used colored markers or fine liners for the details.
Kids explore together at home.